Hello friends, welcome to the Learning Club. So in this tutorial, I will show you how can you upload your project in GitHub. If you don't know about Git and GitHub, then don't worry, I will explain from scratch. So at first, let's know it. What is the Git? So yeah, I use the Google AI, so it will give a better definitions. So Git is a distributed version control system. Actually GitHub that's allow the Git, so you can upload your project in the GitHub repository. So yeah, you can use it in future as well. So some of the key features and advantage you can see here: distributed architecture, version control, branching and merging, collaboration. So lots of things are there. So you can check it by searching just Git to any AI, chat GPT or Google AI. So you will get more knowledge about the Git. But just know Git is a distributed version control system, and GitHub allows the Git so that you can upload your project into the GitHub. So let's dive into it. I will show you a project, and I will upload this project. This is a cruise project. So yeah, this is a Django project. If I just uploaded this project's video, you can check the last video. So if you interested in Django, you can subscribe my channel. If you interested in Python, you can subscribe my channel. So lots of web development and other related videos are there. Lots of videos are upcoming in future as well. So now I just open the CMD, so don't worry about that. So just I run the server and I will just see you the project. What is the project actually? So this is the project made by Python Django. So Python, just wait sometimes. Let me run the server. Run server. Okay, so just a second. One, two. Yeah. So this is actually a website. So I made it in the last video. You can check it if you interested in Django or Python as well. So enter your name, whatever it is, Alan, and just start a quiz. So you have the options. So this is the last project. Just check it. So this is the question number 4, question number 3. You can change this, but this is for the demo purpose. That's why you can skip the question also. I just show you that. And now I just submit the quiz. So your score is 2 out of 20. Thank you, Alan. So here it will show the username and the score of the quiz. Okay, so this is a very basic Django project. You can also watch from my channel in the last video. I will put a link in the description box. Okay, so how can you upload this project? I will show you. So first of all, you need to install the Git. So just go to the Git and go to the Google and search for Git. Okay, and remember GitHub allows the Git, so that's why you need to Git. So yeah, so just click on this Git and now install it. So download for Windows. Okay, so Git from Windows setup. So just click in and now let finish the installation or downloading. So just stay with me, and yeah, it is the file, and just check on the file and install it, friends. So the installation is very simple, and just click on yes, and you can see this type of things, and there is a preamble. Just let it skip it, and next, 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 and next. Okay, so yeah, just next. You have to just type next, 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 next. Just keep all the thing and just type next, next, next. Okay, so let it be finished, friends. So let me just comment below how is the project. This is very project you can start with Django. Okay, so here you can put your name, then the quiz will start, and you will get the score of the quiz, and it will show also the username. So obviously this is the Git is a distributed version control system, and I will recommend you just go through the details of the Git. Okay, so this is a very basic tutorial how can you upload your project on GitHub, but I will recommend you please go through with these all things. You you have to know about these things actually. So yeah, so GitHub is a repository where you can upload your project. It allows the Git. I think the uh, okay, so installation has been finished. So just finish it. Just I just open a cmd. Let me check either Git is installed or not. How can you check that? Just type Git, then type dash dash version. Okay, so you can see Git version 2.50.1. So this has been installed. So this way you can check it, Git is installed or not. So yes, go to the GitHub and create an account if you don't have an account. So just go to the Google and just type the GitHub, GitHub, and create an account. So this is my account, you can see it. So now here you can see the repository and just create a repository. Okay, so just create a new and just type the repository name. So what is my project name? Actually project name is a quiz project by user, so I just give a repository name, you quiz by user, quiz by user, or okay, just yeah, it is available. So just description, give a descriptions. User will put his name and start the quiz. He will get the result as well. Okay, so you can skip also, just put a descriptions, just let it things, and choose the visibility public or whatever you can. So I think for the private you have to pay, so just check it for that and just create the repository. Okay, so yes, you can see the repository has been created and link has been created, you can see. And now just how I can add, how I can upload the project on the GitHub. So here are some things you can use. So I will show you a very short way and you can do it very easily. So first of all, just go to the project. Here you can see the project is quiz project. So I just create here a new file. So file, I just name it GitHub. Okay, so yeah, inside the GitHub, I just close it. Okay, so I just create a file GitHub. Here is my project, quiz project, and inside the GitHub, so I just open the cmd. Remember friends, open the command prompt in this directory, inside this directory GitHub. Okay, so now first type git init. You can see here also git init. So I just copy from it, just git init and paste it here. Okay, so just here you can see uh, initialize empty in repository and git init. Okay, so after that yeah, so after that you have to type, you have to paste your project inside the GitHub. Okay, so if project quiz tuto, yeah, you can check the directory. If you don't check the directory, it will get some error. Okay, so I just copy my project and paste here. Okay, so yes, so after that I have to commit at first. So just commit all. So just type here git add. First of all, add the project, then you have to commit. So git add dot means git add all. So when you are committing, before you committing, just add the project. So git add dot means all the things. Okay, so yes, now commit. Okay, so before commit you have to add, remember friends. So git add dot means all. Okay, so now you can commit git commit, you can see from here. So git commit, then you have to type dot. Dot means all, commit all, and just type dash m and just type first. Okay, so yeah, so here is it is given that the this type of error is given, the authority identity is unknown, so please run and tell who you are. So you have to run these two comments. You can see here git config dash dash global user dot email and put your email here, and then git config dash dash global user dot name and put your username. What is your username? When you creating the GitHub, you can create your username. So this is my username, and my email id is, I will type my email id. Okay, so now I have to just copy this. Okay, just copy this and paste it here, and here I will type my email id. Okay, so this is my email id, and you can just uh, maximize the screen. So yeah, first of all you have to type git config dash dash global, then user dot email, then your email account name. Okay, so this is my email account name, because user is unknown, identity is unknown when you commit the all. Okay, so now paste it, sorry, run it, and now just copy this thing and now paste it here, and now your username. So what is your username? So in my case this is my username, Bhaskar0049. so yeah, BHASR0049. This is case sensitive, friends, so remember. Okay, so you can see it, and now after that just copy this, just copy this and run this comment. Okay, so here when I try to run this comment, it will not run. It will tell me that it told me that the identity is unknown. Okay, so just paste it again here and now run it. So this time it's run. Okay, so now just the next thing what we have to do, that you can see from here also. I just show you. Okay, you can get help from here. So after run the all the after run the this git commit and all, after committing you just have to type git remote at origin, and this just copy this thing actually. So control C and copy this thing. So after committing all the things, you have to type this git remote add origin https whatever this is, just copy from it and paste it here and type, hit enter. Okay, so then after this you have to push origin. So this is the very easy. I just whatever I did here, just I commit all. Before commit all, I just add all. Okay, git add dot, that means git add all of my project, and git commit dot dash m and invited inside the first inverted comma. So I just type the first. So just basic things. So here I just add dot, dot means all, and commit dot, commit all, and just you will get this type of message. So you have to put your username and the email address with this sort of code, like git config global dot user dot email, git config dash dash global user dot name. Okay, so yeah, so the next thing is git push origin. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so it shows some error. HRC specific main does not match any. So instead of main, you can also put the master. So just let me try git push dash u origin master. Okay, let's see what happened. Yeah, so it is opening a tab that you have to sign in. So don't put the main, just put the master. Okay, so you have to type git push dash u origin master. So here it will show main, but you just put the master. Okay, so now just sign in with your browser, or do you have an account, or sign up. So I have an account with GitHub, so just sign in. So yeah, so just clear sign in. So just type your username or email address. gmail.com, and now just type your password and just click on sign in. Yeah, authorize. So you have to authorize that thing. Okay, so yes, master setup to track origin master. And now go to the GitHub, and just you can see here, and you can see quiz by user has been uploaded. Okay, so remember friends, I just made a mistake here, main, but don't type main here, just type git push dash u origin master. This is remember. So I will tell you from the first of all, you have to type the git init, and now just copy and paste your project inside the directory, and then type git add all, and then you have to commit that thing. If you get this type of error, so you have to put your username and email address, and then again run this code git commit dot means all dash m first, just written something inside the inverted comma, and it will run. And now you have to copy that thing and paste the git remote add origin, whatever link is there, and after that you have to push the origin into the master. So git push dash u origin master, don't write the main. Okay, so yeah, so after that it's very easy to upload. You can add a readme file also here. So just type add a readme basic. I just type a something basic code to basic code for quiz project, quiz project in Django. Actually here you have to some type of code or that thing. It will, I will tell you later in another video, but you can add readme.md file. So yeah, you can comment the changes. Okay, so yes, a readme.md file has been created. So inside that file you can explain your project, what is the code and how it is work, so everything, what is the library it required for that project. So you mentioned all of these things in the readme.md file. So in this way you can upload your project in the GitHub. So I hope you understand how to upload your project into the GitHub. So this is very easy friends. Remember, GitHub allows Git. So yeah, just before I finish this video, just I will have some request for you. So please watch the full video and subscribe the channel and hit a like button. And if you are interested Python, Django and other web related videos and other computer technologies and other programming languages videos, so you can search my channel Be Learning Club and you just subscribe it, and I will upload many videos in future, and I will cover all that thing from basics. Okay, so yeah, so thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Goodbye.